Have you ever heard of effective microorganisms? After observing that soil microbes were beneficial to plants, Teruo Higa, a Japanese investigator and college professor, directed his investigations to the microbial world. After some experiences, Higa started mixing various microorganisms which, individually, were known to have beneficial effects on plants and on the environment in general. Through this work he realized which mixture of microorganisms matched and produced such beneficial effects. Higa realized that the microbe world has opposite tendencies in constant conflict, the tendency to regeneration and vitality and the degenerative tendency, causing degradation and death. He also saw that, from the many existing microorganisms, only a small fraction has potential to dominate and induce development in one of the directions, regeneration or degradation. It's important to notice that the majority of microorganisms are neutral, so we can say that they behave like opportunists, guiding their activity according to the dominant trend of their environment. To make it more clear, taking as an example a puddle that overnight gets moldy and stinky, what happened is that the microbial balance suffered a tendency switch. That's why it is very important to keep a higher amount of regenerative microorganisms than their opponents, in any biological environment, including the oral cavity. In this EM community coexist benefic aerobic and anaerobic microorganisms in harmony. Many of them have already been used by human beings for centuries, in food production, for example to make wine and cheese. Many of them are photosynthetic bacteria, actinobacteria, lactic bacteria, yeast and also some fungus. The application of this concept is the basis for all biological environments, and as such, its applicability is very broad, in agriculture, in water treatment, decomposition of food debris and in therapeutic aid. Other areas of application are documented and applied worldwide. The antioxidant and anti-age effects have been proven in fermentation products of EM. This mixture, called EMX, also has been applied in medicine by its influence in increased activity of NK cells and for their anti-cancer effects in some cellular lines. In dentistry, materials enriched with EM have shown high biocompatibility. Therefore, might EM be a solution for many environmental problems? And what could be its use for medical purposes? We must restore balance in biological systems. And isn't our body one too?